Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I found this in the Dollar Tree. Does it work? Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my little corner of YouTube, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. I really do appreciate it. Y'all know I love walking through the Dollar Tree to see what I can find that might be helpful to us. Not only helpful to us in our crafting, but helpful to our crafty budgets as well. So I was in the Dollar Tree and I came across the Beacon Spray Adhesive. They advertise it as being non-toxic, fast-holding, and it dries clear. Works on paper, wood, cardboard, and more. So for those of you who've seen a few of my videos, you know that sometimes I like to make my own double-sided paper. And I have two ways of doing it. I'll do it using either my sticker maker, which will put the adhesive on the back and I'll join two pieces of paper together, or I will use my Elmer Spray adhesive. This stuff works like magic. The stick is very quick and it doesn't bleed through the paper. Therefore, it's not affecting the print or the color of the paper. So I'm very pleased with my Elmer Spray adhesive. And when I saw this, I was curious. So I decided I wanted to give this a try because I want to know if it works as well as this. So we're going to do our own test. We're going to test it to see how well it flows, how well it sticks two pieces of paper together, and then what does that paper look like and feel like after we have used this on it. I already know that this does not have any impact on the look of my paper when I use it, and I'm hoping that this will be the same. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Now I have zoomed out and I've also brought in a cardboard box because I'll be spraying inside the box. I won't be going out back to spray. This says that it's non-toxic, so I am going to see if we can get a nice spray going on our paper. So I have this thin single-sided text weight paper. This is not what I'll be spraying on. I'm actually going to spray on the cardstock that I want to stick to that paper. So it says to shake this vigorously, which is what I'm doing. Then I'm just going to spray this whole thing and I'm going to get a good saturation on it because I don't know how this works. So I want to make sure that I have it nice and coated. So now we're going to take it out and I am just going to place it down on my paper. The pink paper size is 8.5 by 11, and already I can see that I have a nice little stick on here. It said it would not take it long to dry. I'm going to go back and wash the nozzle with a little bit of warm water because it says on the bottle that's how you keep it from clogging. I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and y'all, it seems to be stuck. I am going around to see if I can peel away, and it seems to be nice and stuck. So what I'm going to do is just take my finger blade and go around the edges. Just trim away the excess white paper because I do need to get this out of my way. So whenever I am making my own paper like this, I do try to leave a border around the edges because it's very difficult to try to match 12 by 12 to 12 by 12 and get it nice and even. So I will usually trim my paper down just a little bit depending on what project I'm using it for. And now, y'all, you can see that I have this beautiful double-sided paper that I was able to make with this Beacon Value multi-purpose adhesive spray that I got from the Dollar Tree. And so just like with this one, It might make your paper want to curl just a little bit, not curl to a distorted shape, but just a little curl. And laying something flat on it or doing it like this will help to work out that curl. Now I'm going to take this double-sided paper, 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to cut me 2 pieces at 5.5 by 8.5. And I'm looking to see if the paper separated on my seams, and it did not. So now I can take this, turn it on the 8.5 inch side, and I'm going to score it at 4.25. And I'm just going to do a nice little crease, and I will need to just kind of roll it. Need to get that curl out, so I'll probably just lay something heavy on here. So now I have 2 really cute springtime card bases that I can use in my paper crafting. Y'all, I don't have any problems or concerns with this at all. If you're an occasional spray adhesive user and you're looking for a small bottle, this little bottle at the Dollar Tree worked just fine. I am going to test it on wood and cardboard to see how that works as well. So how would I rate this in comparison to this? I think that they are the same. I think that the quality of both is good. Y'all, before this video, I had never tried this. I've always been an Elmer's girl when it comes to spray adhesive. But if I run out and I need a bottle in a hurry, instead of heading out to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Walmart, where this is normally sold, my Dollar Tree is within walking distance. I can just head right on over there and grab a bottle and come back and finish the project that I'm working on. So the quality of this, no problem at all. If you're new to paper crafting and you're growing your supplies, a small bottle like this is a great way to start. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I know that not everyone has access to a Dollar Tree where they're located geographically, but for those of you who do, the next time you're in Dollar Tree, you might want to think about picking up a bottle of Beacon multi-purpose spray adhesive. I am very, very pleased with it. So now I'm going to take these 2 cards and place them under a stack of books so that I can get them to flatten out, because I love the print and I think that I will use these to make some cards. So I hope that you have found this little demonstration and review helpful. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.